All right, my friends. So we have a Lomi. We have a Lomi. You guys can see it right here. One of these Pela Lomis, Pela Earth, I think it is, Lomis, and it's been great. A lot of people are like, you love it or you hate it, whatever. It doesn't matter. We love it, but just recently it stopped working. It's broke. So we were like, what? So first off, I'm going to show you what happens. So if I can find the plug in here. Just in case this is what happens to yours, so I'm just going to plug it in. Okay, so light comes on, everything's good, it's got stuff in there. We always make sure that we don't put in anything that's not supposed to go in there, but here it is, and you go to start it, right? You're like, yay, it's working. Usually you want it further out because they do say it should be out away from like the wall so that everything can cool properly. Ready? Let's see what happens. Usually it doesn't take too long. There it goes. So you get this little red light that comes up and says cooling. So we were like, what does that even mean? I don't even understand. So I went online, of course, and contacted Pela or Lomi or whatever the parent company is, and it was like, they were like, oh, we're going to send you a new fan. So there must be, or probably, my guess is, this is something that has probably been an issue for those of us that bought the Lomi like right away. Like we were one of the, I think, first people that ordered it and got it shipped out. So they were just like, yep, here we're going to send that out to you. So I'm going to unplug that again. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually put the new fan in because the new fan came today. Just so you guys know, they wanted our the email address that was associated to it and the serial number. So the serial number for the Lomi is on the bottom. So just unplug it, tip it over. There's a serial number, and we're going to put the new fan in, and hopefully that fixes it. Okay, so here's the bag. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. Here's the bag. Here's the fan. This is it. It's my guess is it's only going to be able to go in one way. It looks easy. The package itself didn't even say Lomi on it. It's just here's a fan. Cool. Here's the Lomi right here. Now, just again to be aware, you're going to have to take out the bin inside it because you're going to have to tip this on its side. So first off, here we go, down on its side. And just so you guys know, there's the serial number. Now, they said that the screw points, there's one there, and there's one right there. So there's two screws under this. That's where the fan is. So you got to kind of find them. So I got to get a screwdriver. And I don't know what size screw it is, but I'm pretty sure it's that style. Again, I'm not like all kinds of, inclination to understand how all this stuff works. But if I can do it, you guys can do it. Does that seem to be coming out? I think something's coming out there, maybe. Possibly. Yep. There's one, so you can see it possibly coming out there. And the other one is up here somewhere. There it is. Now, I think my screwdriver is a little big in regards to this, but it worked. Okay. And there we go. Nice. This whole door comes off. Don't lose the screws. Now, the one thing I would love to have seen Lomi do, because you're getting warranty work done, I would like to have seen them actually send me out a little screwdriver with this for this to fit in. So, here's the old fan. And make sure I don't put the old one back in. There's the new fan. And this just slides out. This detaches. It should detach fairly easy, I would think. It's got all kinds of glue and stuff on it. Yep. So there it is. Okay. So this one, you may be able to see it, I don't know. Definitely got some like glue and stuff like that on it. This one seems better. as far as I can tell, this should only be able to go in one way. So it kind of just fits like so, maybe? Is that right? Does that seem legit? Yeah, there's the two little points for it to latch onto. So like the vent points down, it kind of just sits like that. And I'm guessing this just kind of goes around and you just snug that in like that. That's it. There's your fan, right? Does it feel like it's in there? Just make sure it gets in there properly, right? Because it's got to be underneath this. And then this is simply going back on, like so. Everything goes back on the opposite way of what you took it. Now we're gonna go plug it in and see if it works. Everything's on. We got it pulled away from the back again. Ready? And we're gonna long press. So we're gonna go into like 4-hour mode. Push. And like I said, usually within 30 seconds it would fail on us. So the hope is that it's gonna work. At least past 30 seconds, and then we'll just let it go and see if it's successful. So far we've gotten further than ever, so maybe I'll see you in 4 hours. Alright guys, so there you go. It's a pretty easy fix actually. I wish it didn't break, but it took about, for us, from the point of contacting Lomi to the actual arrival of the new fan, I would say a week and a half, something like that. But pretty good. So just so you guys know, if you get that same kind of error that I did, it's probably the fan. It seems like, based on how they responded to my original claim, that they were just like, yeah, we're sending out a new fan. So they didn't really ask questions. They didn't ask me to reset it. They didn't ask me to do anything. They were just like, I sent them a video of it, what was going on with the original. So maybe that helps speed it up. So if you guys have the issue, I would record it, attach it into an email to send to their support, and you should be good to go. Nice easy fix.